guys, this is Oviya and welcome back to Ovi's Paradise. In this lockdown, all children like to eat biscuits, but parents don't allow them as it's made from maida. So, I'm taking a different version of the same biscuits which are tastier and healthier, which is made from wheat. So, children will love these biscuits and parents will also be really happy that it's made from wheat. So, let's get cooking this wheat biscuits.
So here are the ingredients. I have taken 1 cup wheat flour, 50 grams of garlic butter. I have taken garlic butter as it enhances the flavor of biscuits. You can even use salted or unsalted butter also. Next, I have taken 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk which is room temperature, and then half teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Start preparing the dough. Here I am adding the butter, I am adding the sugar, and mix them with the milk to make a soft dough. Don't knead it more. So here I am adding the milk. I am using my hand as it's much easier. Don't knead it too much, otherwise it won't be like crispy. So here our dough is ready. So when we break it like this, it should have a crumbly texture, just like this. Now let's divide them into 2 halves. So now I'm taking the first half and rolling it out. Make sure you dust the board with some flour. Roll it till it's half centimeter thick. I'm using 2 cookie cutters, a star and a flower. You can use any cookie cutters of your choice. So grease the pan with some oil. Place the butter paper or parchment paper. I'm just adding some design. The oven is preheated, so let's keep them for baking. Let's bake the cookies for 20 minutes. The colors turned out really well. And looks really crispy. The cookies are finally done. Time for tasting. This comes so crispy. And as I've added the garlic butter, I'm getting a garlic taste and the garlic smell. So it's really great. And even though I've used wheat flour in it, it's come so nice. You guys also should try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Until my next video, keep cooking and keep smiling. Take care and bye.